Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can completely transform your repair and service workflows? Let's start with Bach AI, your intelligent engine for automating the service lifecycle. It all begins with data, automatically captured from incoming systems to prioritize and route service requests. Bach AI then determines SLAs, urgency, and routes the task to the best available technician using AI-driven business rules. Next, it smartly prioritizes the technician queue, factoring in client urgency, deadlines, and estimated repair time. Then comes the recommended next best action, auto-generated using historical repair data and real-time chatbot support. All actions, parts used, and timestamps are automatically tracked, capturing every tech touchpoint. Finally, return shipments are optimized, and clients are notified with exact shipment details and timelines. Bach AI connects with Smart AI, a powerful blend of state-of-the-art machine learning and human expertise. With design thinking at its core, we tailor AI solutions to your unique business needs, helping you make smarter people decisions and drive real outcomes.